jacket. I'm gonna do this jacket. Ow. Kind of dangerous. How come Zero has pockets? I don't have pockets on my jacket. That's not fair.
Where did my jacket go? Yuki?
Yuki, come back with that!
Stupid Yuki stole my stupid jacket. What am I gonna do with this? Oh, that's cute. That's really cute.
Hey Zero, I'm willing to give you back your jacket. Yuki walks in.